Hello and welcome to day 19 of our 30 days hair growth challenge. First of all, I want to say congratulations if you've been following through from day one. I know it's not easy to be consistent every single day, but you've been following through, meaning that you really want to see your hair grow longer. Congratulations for keeping up with the challenge till now. So if you're new here, my name is Victoria. I'm the founder of Zoe School of Life. Here at Zoe School of Life, we believe that God made our hair to be beautiful and that we should not be ashamed of our natural hair. Some time ago, we started this challenge on how to grow our natural hair longer and stronger. All you have to do is use rosemary and cloves water that you spray on your hair twice per day. So the recipe is on my YouTube channel. You can look at my previous videos to see how to make your own rosemary water. When you have it, you put it in spray bottle, and this is how you do it. You spray it on your hair twice per day. I like doing it after I shower and just before going to bed. These are the two best moments, I think. So I just spray it like this. So massage it just like this. Today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think that you should join my 30 days hair growth challenge. Reason number 1, the recipe is made up of cloves and rosemary leaves. Cloves have been known to make hair grow longer and stronger. Same for rosemary leaves. So when you combine these two ingredients and you apply it to your hair is going to grow like crazy. Reason number 2, it's a very easy challenge to follow. Once you have your ingredients already, you just have to spray it on your hair like that twice per day. It is really not complicated to follow through with the challenge. It is very easy. Reason number 3, the ingredients are very cheap and easy to find. They are affordable. You can find rosemary leaves easily in the market or in the supermarket. Same for cloves, and the price is really affordable. This is not a challenge that will cost you a lot of money. It is very, very affordable. Reason number 4 is that rosemary water helps to fight dandruff. So if you've had dandruff problems, it is the best challenge for you because not only will you be growing your hair longer, but you will also be fighting dandruff at the same time. Reason number 5 is that the rosemary and clove water is a perfect detangler. If you spray it on your hair while you are brushing your hair, combing your hair, or finger detangling, you will see that your hair will be so easy to detangle. So these are 5 reasons why I think you should join my 30 days hair growth challenge. I hope that by now I have convinced you to join the challenge. And apart from convincing you to join the challenge, I want to share with you the fact that I have a book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. In this book, there are many recipes, natural hair recipes for your hair, and there are also tips and tricks on how to take care of your natural hair and also how to transition from relaxed to natural hair if your hair is relaxed and you're planning to transition to natural hair. So I invite you to grab a copy of the book. The link to the book is in the description below. So if you like my content, please leave a like, thumbs up, and also if you enjoy this content, please share it with other people whom you know would want to see your hair grow longer and healthier in a very short period of time. And finally, please subscribe to my channel so as to encourage me. Thank you so much. By the way, we've already reached the milestone of 100 subscribers. I made a whole video to say thank you to my subscribers, so I invite you to check out on that video. And do not forget to subscribe. God bless you. Bye bye. See you soon.